How to create recurring task in Clickup. Hey guys, welcome. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create recurring task in Clickup. So let's get into it. First of all, what you guys need to do is you're going to open up clickup.com and you will get right here. You're going to open up your workspace and then you need to go to your respective board. So in our board, we have a lot of different tasks and sometimes the tasks are recurring. So we don't want to actually create them again and again every day or every week. So let's say I have a new task, I have a meeting that is going to take place every week. So I'm just going to create a new task, which is going to be this meeting. Now let's open it up. This is the task that is a recurring task. So first of all, let's actually assign it to someone quickly. Then we can also add priority, all of the different settings that we get on ClickUp. Then right here we have due date. So you're going to select due date option from here. And then instead of actually adding a due date, you can click on set recurring. This is the option right here. Once you click on it, it will open up some more options for you. So we have reoccur every week, daily, monthly, yearly, days after, or custom. So if it's weekly, then I can select this one, or even if it's a custom date, then maybe like every 7th of the month, or maybe after every 2 days. So that's how I can select a custom from here too. But I'm gonna go with weekly now. Then we have when closed, when done, or on schedule. Now this is the kind of automation that we can go for. So this is the trigger that the recurrence when the task is moved to the last status. Like when will the recurring happen? When the status will be changed to done, and then we have on schedule. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on schedule right here. And then what we're going to do is we're going to select a date from here, right? This is where I can add a start date as well. So I want this to start from, let's say, tomorrow. So I can just add the date here. Similarly, we have update status too. We can also create a status here if we want to also update the status of this task right here. Every time it reoccurs, we want to update the status. So I want it to again go to do. Every time it reoccurs, I want it to go back to do section. So once it's done, then it will reoccur, and I have selected the data as well. Click on save, and now this task is a recurring task. You can see start of recurring weekly. You have this icon right here, which is the recurring task icon. And this is how you can go ahead and create recurring task on ClickUp. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.